Yay!
Hi, I'm Poppy. Today we will discuss about different animal sounds. Animal Sounds Part 3. So now let's see which animals we have on the list for the day. First we have seal, and the sound that a seal makes is bark. Then we have the whale. The sound of whale is called sing. Then we have the dolphin. Its sound is called click. Moving on to the next animal, we have the frog. The sound that a frog makes is croak. Moving on to the next one, we have the crab. The sounds that a crab makes are chirp and click. Then we have the snake. The sound that a snake makes is called hiss. Moving on to the next animal, we have the alligator. The sounds that an alligator makes are called bellow and hiss. Then we have the bee. The sound that a bee makes is called buzz. The next one on the list is the cricket. And the sound that a cricket makes is chirp. Now let's see who's next on the list. We have the 2K gecko. And the sound that it makes is croak.
Yay!
And with that, it also brings us to the end of our list for the day. Now we know the sounds of different species of our planet. I hope you also join us on our other fun adventures by checking the videos on our channel. You can find the links in the description box below. Bye bye for now. See you soon. And if you like our videos, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel, Peach Peanut Poppy.